Namaskar. In my last video, I talked about no divorce. That divorce between the two people is a miserable chapter of this century. Divorce is a miserable chapter of this century because this one divorce of a person or the persons or 80% people of the world is writing a miserable chapter for the generations to come. So, a human being should be very much concerned about that. And we have a scientific knowledge about that. If somebody comes to us before marriage, we can tell that these two people can get along or no. If at all somebody is in a mess and going to divorce, they can also come to us. We can tell them what miserable chapter they are writing for the generations and how they should think, what they should think, what type of thoughts they should generate to save that. But if they come before that, we can tell them from their hand, from their date of birth, from their posture. Even a posture speaks. So, today again I am talking about a very sad chapter of this century, which is writing very bad chapter for the generations. Your own people, your own kids will be trapped in that, your own. So try to understand that. It's not, if you are not that vast and helping, even then it is for you, for your own people, for your own kids who will be getting trapped into that, who will get trapped into that. So, no divorce is our chapter of today. What we should do? Eye of health, life of health. Everything is backed by thought of health. The main atomic, the main burning thing is thought. You will generate a nice thought, it will be writing a wonder chapter. No divorce. A thoughtful person, a person who generates a nice thought, powerful thought, solid thought, no confusion, he can never go for a divorce. Confusion and not stable, not solid thoughts do all this. And that's the big disease of this century. So my topic is always backed by a solid thought, generating the thought. Eye of thought. Our eyes never see anything. Don't fool yourself. I never see. Our thoughts see. The same thing show to 10 people, they will tell you different, because I don't see. Our thoughts design the scene. Note down all these things and save this word from divorce, which is a big hazard of health. Our topic is health. Our channel is health. Our whole life is, we talk about health. But divorce is a bigger factor. तो हिंदी में कि ये पिछले भी मैंने एक वीडियो नो डाइवोर्स पे बनाई है, और जो नो डाइवोर्स है वो भी विचार शक्ति के ऊपर है. अगर हमारी विचार शक्ति प्रबल है, सॉलिड है, तो हम ये नहीं करेंगे. क्योंकि ये जनरेशन्स के लिए, आने वाली आपके बच्चों के लिए एक गलत चैप्टर लिखता हुआ जा रहा है डाइवोर्स। 80% पीपल। तो अगर कोई शादी से पहले हमारे पास आते हैं तो हम बता देंगे उनके डेट ऑफ बर्थ से, उनकी पोस्चर से, उनकी और हाथ से बता देंगे कि इनको ये चल सकते हैं या नहीं। अगर कोई बीच में हैं, मझधार में कि करने वाले हैं, वो भी दे कैन कम टू अस, वी विल टेल देम कि वो कितना बड़ा चैप्टर गलत लिखने जा रहे हैं। तो विचार शक्ति को प्रबल बना के इसका सलूशन निकाल दें। तो हमारा वर्ड ऑफ हेल्थ एक बात नहीं करता, हर चीज को पकड़ता है जो हेल्थ को डैमेज करने जा रही हो। विचार करिए, आपकी आंख नहीं देखती, आपके विचार देखते हैं। एक ही चीज 10 आदमी को दिखा लो, हर आदमी अपने विचार से उसका डिजाइन बना देगा। ध्यान कीजिए इन बातों पे। ध्यान होगा तो थॉट आएगी। उसी तरह की सॉलिड थॉट्स लाइए और इस डाइवोर्स और तलाक से अपने लोगों को बचा लीजिए। तो हमारा नंबर 9205-667-244, ये दिल्ली का, इंडिया का नंबर है। आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इन अमेरिका, सो इफ एट ऑल somebody one in America, email vinodSoni9825@gmail.com. It's a very big subject. Nobody is addressing that. Nobody can address that because they don't know what is at its back. But we invented the thought process at its back. Solid thought, firm thought, stable thought, no confusion, no divorce. Because it was you, आपने ही किया था वो। तो we will again come on this subject of health by taking many angles, बहुत सारे एंगल हैं इसके हेल्थ के, वो डाइवोर्स भी है। तो विचार करिए, ओवर पावरफुल होके जो हमारी हेल्प लेनी है वो लीजिए। वी कैन ट्राई टू हेल्प यू बेस्ट। नमस्कार।